You smell it the moment you walk in. That disgusting, warm, musty sock smell blasting straight out of your AC vents. You've cleaned the filters, you've sprayed air freshener, you've burned candles, and 5 minutes later, it's back. That smell has been living inside your vents for years. 5 years of bacteria, 5 years of mold, 5 years of biological nightmare, breeding inside your ductwork every single time you run your AC. And HVAC companies, they want you to call them. They want to charge you $300, $400, even $500 to professionally clean your system. But today, that stops. Because I'm going to show you a $2 liquid sitting in every pharmacy in the country that wipes out 5 years of sock smell from your AC vents permanently. No HVAC technician, no expensive service call, no scrubbing, just $2.15 of your time. HVAC pros are praying you never watch this video. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because we expose the chemical secrets the big service industry doesn't want you knowing. Let's get into it. What is that sock smell actually coming from? Here's the thing nobody tells you. That odor is not just dust. That smell is alive. Inside your AC system, especially on the evaporator coil and inside the ductwork, moisture builds up every single time your air conditioner runs. Cool air plus warm air equals condensation. Condensation equals a wet, dark, perfectly warm tunnel. And you know what loves wet, dark, warm tunnels? Bacteria. Mold, mildew. These microorganisms colonize your vents and ducts, and every time your AC kicks on, it blasts their spores and waste products directly into your breathing air. That sock smell, that's microbial waste. You've been breathing it in, your family has been breathing it in for years, and standard cleaning products can't reach deep enough to kill it. Bleach is too harsh and damaging to your system. Vinegar is too weak. But there is one compound that is gentle enough to use safely inside your HVAC system, and powerful enough to completely obliterate bacterial colonies and mold at the root level: hydrogen peroxide. 3% concentration, the brown bottle, under $2 at any pharmacy or grocery store. Here's the science, and pay attention. This is important. Hydrogen peroxide, chemical formula H2O2, is essentially water with one extra oxygen molecule. When it contacts organic material like bacteria, mold, or mildew, it releases that extra oxygen in a rapid oxidation reaction. It literally explodes the cell walls of the microorganisms on contact. No cell wall, no living bacteria, no living bacteria, no odor production. No odor production, no sock smell. And here's the beautiful part. After it does its job, hydrogen peroxide breaks down into just water and oxygen. That's it. No toxic residue, no chemical smell lingering in your air, no damage to your ductwork, coil fins, or drain pans. It is the perfect weapon against AC vent odor. And the HVAC service industry absolutely does not want you knowing this. Because once you know this, their $400 duct cleaning and sanitizing service becomes a 2 trip to the pharmacy. Now let's talk about what you need. You need 1 bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Find it at any pharmacy, Walmart, dollar store, or grocery store. It's in the brown plastic bottle. 3% concentration is the standard over-the-counter strength. Do not use higher concentrations like 6% or 35%. 3% is exactly what we need, strong enough to kill, gentle enough to be safe. You need a clean spray bottle. A standard trigger spray bottle works perfectly. You need clean water. Regular tap water is fine. That is your entire supply list. Total cost, under $2. Possibly under $1 if you already have a spray bottle. Here is the exact dilution ratio. Do not skip this part. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 2 parts water. So if you use 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, add 2 cups of water. This gives you a solution that is approximately 1% hydrogen peroxide concentration. This is the sweet spot. Powerful enough to kill mold and bacteria, but completely safe for use inside your HVAC system on plastic vents, metal ducts, and coil components. Shake the spray bottle gently to mix, and your weapon is ready. Now here is exactly what you do. Turn your AC system completely off. Do not apply anything with the system running. You want the airflow stopped so the solution has time to work and does not get immediately dispersed before it can contact the surfaces where the bacteria live. Go to your thermostat and switch it fully off. Not just to fan mode, fully off. Give the system 2 to 3 minutes to fully stop. Now locate all your AC vents throughout your home. These are the rectangular or square grills on your walls, floor, or ceiling where conditioned air comes out. Open the vent covers if they are removable. Most standard vent covers simply pull out or unscrew with 2 small screws. Remove them and set them aside. Take your spray bottle with the diluted hydrogen peroxide solution. Spray directly into the duct opening, not just on the surface of the grill. You want to get that mist as far into the duct as possible. Hold the spray bottle at an angle and apply 5 to 8 generous sprays into each duct opening. You will hear the faint fizzing sound if there is bacterial or mold activity in there. That fizzing is the oxidation reaction happening in real time. That is the hydrogen peroxide destroying the microbial colonies on contact. Now, spray the vent covers themselves, front and back. These grills accumulate biofilm on the surface, and that is also a source of the smell. Coat them thoroughly. Set the wet vent covers aside. Do not reinstall them yet. Move to every single vent in your home and repeat this process. Don't skip any. Bacteria in one untreated vent will recolonize the rest. This is total elimination, not partial treatment. Once every vent and duct opening has been sprayed, let the solution sit and work for a full 15 minutes. This dwell time is critical. The longer the hydrogen peroxide stays in contact with the mold and bacteria, the more completely it destroys them. Do not rush this step. After 15 minutes, take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe down the vent covers before reinstalling them. The ducts themselves do not need wiping. Any remaining solution will safely evaporate. Reinstall all vent covers. Now turn your system back on. Let it run for 5 minutes. The results are immediate. Before this treatment, that vent was pumping 5 years of sock smell bacteria into your home every time it ran. After this treatment, the air coming through is clean, neutral, and fresh. The biological source of the odor has been destroyed. Not masked, not covered. Destroyed at the cellular level. This is not a perfume or an air freshener that fades in an hour. This is a permanent solution to the source of the smell. The bacteria are dead. The mold colonies are dead. And until moisture and organic matter accumulate enough to restart the growth cycle, which takes many months under normal conditions, your vents will stay fresh. To stay ahead of it, repeat this treatment once every 3 to 4 months as routine maintenance. Each treatment costs under $2. Compare that to a single professional HVAC sanitizing service at $300 to $500. You're saving hundreds of dollars every single year. Now let's cover safety. This is important, and I want you to pay attention. Always use 3% concentration only. This is the over-the-counter standard strength. Higher concentrations can cause irritation and are not necessary for this application. Always dilute it. 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 2 parts water. Do not spray undiluted hydrogen peroxide into your ducts. Always turn the system fully off before application. Work in a ventilated space. Crack a window while you work. Hydrogen peroxide at this concentration is extremely safe, but you don't want to be inhaling any mist in an enclosed room. Keep it away from your eyes. If contact occurs, rinse with water immediately. Do not store the mixed solution in a sealed container for long periods. Hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen over time, and pressure can build. Mix what you need and use it the same day. Store any remaining unmixed hydrogen peroxide in its original brown bottle. The brown color protects it from light degradation. Keep it in a cool, dark location. If you have a very old HVAC system with exposed metal coils or known rust issues, consult your system manual before applying any liquid to internal components. For standard modern residential AC systems, this method is completely safe when used at the recommended dilution. One final pro tip. After treating your vents, change your AC filter if you haven't recently. A clogged, dirty filter is also a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. A fresh filter combined with this hydrogen peroxide treatment gives you a completely reset, clean, fresh HVAC system from filter to vent. And if the smell returns quickly, within a few weeks, that is a sign of a more significant moisture problem inside your system, possibly a clogged condensate drain line. In that case, you can use the same diluted hydrogen peroxide solution poured slowly into the condensate drain pan to clear buildup there as well. That's the $2 secret the HVAC industry has been banking on you never discovering. 5 years of sock smell. Gone permanently. With a bottle of hydrogen peroxide from the pharmacy shelf. No technician, no service call, no scrubbing. Just chemistry, working exactly the way it was always meant to work. If this video saved you money today, do me one favor. Smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are tired of paying for things they can do themselves for pennies. Drop a comment below telling me how bad your AC smell was before you tried this. I read every single one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Next time, we're going after another disgusting household problem with another $2 solution. And trust me, the industry that profits from that one really does not want you to see it. Stay curious, stay chemical smart. I'll see you in the next one.